Next, coming to second parameter involved in determination of optical properties of colloidal dispersions is turbidity. By the use of turbidity of a colloidal dispersions, to determine the size, shape and molecular weight of the colloidal dispersions. In this process, estimate the concentration of dispersed particles and molecular weight of solute can be determined. In turbidometric method, there are two types of equipments can be used for determination of turbidity of a sample. First one is spectrophotometer and second one is nephelophotometer. First, coming to spectrophotometer. In spectrophotometer, using UV light can be used. When UV light can be passed through the colloidal solutions, it can be transferred in all directions. IL means incident light, TL means transmitted light. Incident light means light coming from bulb. Transmitted light means the light which are transferred from the colloidal solutions. IL means incident light and TL means transmitted light. So in this spectrophotometer, intensity of transmitted light can be measured. Based upon the intensity of measured transmitted light, you will determine the concentration of dispersed particles in a colloidal dispersions. Next, by the use of this equation, we will determine the turbidity of a sample. In above equation, I means intensity of a transmitted light, I naught means intensity of incident light, E is a constant, theta means turbidity of a sample, L means length of the sample, commonly 1 centimeter. For lyophobic colloids, turbidity can be having higher. For lyophilic colloids, turbidity having low. Next, another parameter by using nephelometer. In this equipment, you will determine the intensity of transmitted light at 90 degrees angle to the colloidal dispersions. It means determine the intensity of transmitted light measured at perpendicular to the colloidal suspensions. In this working of nepheloturbidometer, when ordinary light is passed through the colloidal solutions, the transmitted light can be measured perpendicular to the colloidal suspensions. The transmitted light can be scattered light can be measured to determine the intensity of the sample. So light is passed through colloidal solutions. Based upon the amount of colloidal particles present in a solution, some amount of light can be scattered. This scattered light can be determined at 90 degrees angle to the colloidal dispersions. The intensity of light can be determined. By the use of nepheloturbidometer, we will determine the proteins, polymers, lyophilic colloidal solutions and molecular weight of a colloidal solutions.